Students preparing for Maharashtra PSC have seen a drastic change in the way the examination would be held, because the mains examination is now descriptive. Now, once the exam is descriptive, it is in line with the UPSC examination. So, some of the key things that you must keep in mind is overall the syllabus remains the same as UPSC, but still there can be questions which are more inclined towards Maharashtra. So, we would be focusing on 10 of the most important happenings in Maharashtra which can be possibly asked in your mains examination for a descriptive based answer, right? So let's understand those topics that you must cover. So the first topic is Maratha reservation. Now this is a very important topic. You could be asked to analyze the socio-political implications for the same, the challenges to ensure social justice in this case, the rulings that Supreme Court has given, the various quotas that have been talked about, specifically the EWS, the economically weaker section quota, the legal aspects related to Maratha reservation is important. The next is the development of the Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway, the development of the coastal roads project, the Konkan region development. So the connectivity is one of the very important topics that we would actually say becomes important for Maharashtra PSC. And then one of the most very important is agriculture distress among farmers. Now here we would focus on loan waivers, crop failures, market access, talking about irrigation projects, farmer suicide. So agriculture and agriculture distress, very important topic for Maharashtra PSC. And then since agriculture is important, there are urban pockets as well. So we have already focused on the rural ones under agriculture. So under the urban, it would talk about the challenges that the city has been facing, the cities have been facing, the issues of sanitation and sewerage, the recent GBS cases, the Gulenberry syndrome cases in Pune that have been identified, the Dharavi redevelopment plan, the SRA schemes that become important, then rehabilitation, slum rehabilitation, again a very important topic for Maharashtra PSC, focusing on other important topics for example related to environment. So conservation of the Western Ghats, the protection of the Western Ghats, the coastal erosion, talking about bringing in renewable sources of energy, electric vehicles, again very important. And then from environment we move on to the next field, which is industries. So MIDC, the industrial corridors, ease of doing business, the foreign direct investments, the MSMEs, make in Maharashtra under Make in India. So again for industries, these are some of the important topics. For health tourism or medical tourism, we could say, is an important topic. Then healthcare infrastructure, the recent spread of diseases due to unknown reasons, for example, as we already talked about GBS, so that becomes important. The public health schemes and medical education in Maharashtra. In the field of education, we would focus on digital literacy, the youth programs, the new education policy and its implementations in Maharashtra. Under the regions of environment, we already talked about a lot on the western coast, the Western Ghats, the development of Western Ghats, the conservation of Western Ghats. But again, there are religious sites, wildlife places which are important for tourism as well as for preserving the indigenous culture of the region. So that becomes important. Then one of the very important and upcoming topics these days is cyber security and cyber threats. Very important in law, in the field of, we could say, law and order or internal security of the region. So issues related to cyber crime, cyber security, issues related to rising communal tensions, rising regionalism within the state, and then focusing on the issues of drug trafficking, organized crimes as some other important topics for Maharashtra. Very important. So these are some of the topics that we have actually given you an overview, which are very likely for your upcoming Maharashtra PSC examination. So prepare well, wish you all the best. And of course, if you are looking for steady preparation, lectures, notes, PYQs, refer the material here. Wish you all the best and thanks for joining in. In case you have any questions, feel free to connect on the number below, or you can also email us at admin@examraise.com for more information. Thank you. Have a good day.